Yeah, we should make it, fair for the seeker as well, because it's kind of hard to play.
Yeah!
Make sure they have plenty of time.
Bless you, Papa.
I think the pitch dark setting is good. The one you use for the preset.
Not the Papa. Second.
Not the bows.
Yeah! Bless you.
you.
Yeah! Bless you. Oh, this map is big. I can't see any. Oh!
I don't know how to do these tasks.
Oh. Yeah, those tasks are new to me as well.
Yeah! Bless you.
Holy moly, this is spooky.
Oh.
It's just you, Crony. You must live.
You
She's
must,
running
you
for
must.
you.
Yeah!
She's trapped by a ladder.
Wow! Amazing!
Like a good little creature.
Oh, what does this task do?
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Bless you.
Perfect.
How many times are we gonna sneeze, huh?